Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the remote has power and the Apple TV can see it. First, check or swap the battery, CR 2032 or AA depending on model, because low power causes most failures. Once done, restart the Apple TV using settings or by unplugging for 10 seconds. This clears temporary Bluetooth issues. Next, move within about 3 meters and remove obstacles. Make sure Bluetooth is on. These initial steps eliminate the simplest causes fast, so you can move into now you'll repair and, if needed, reset the remote to solve software mismatches. For a Siri remote, press and hold back and volume up for 5 to 10 seconds until the pairing animation appears. This forces a fresh connection. If pairing fails, open the Apple TV remote app on your phone to confirm the Apple TV responds. That narrows the problem to the physical remote. Then go to Settings, Remotes and Devices to unpair and pair again. This clears pairing records that may be corrupted. Finish with hardware checks and a single troubleshooting tip so you can wrap up confidently. Open the battery compartment or examine the remote for liquid, sticky buttons, or a cracked IR window. Clean contacts gently with a 70% isopropyl swab. Avoid soaking. If internal parts are damaged or cleaning fails, replace the remote. Compatible replacements are inexpensive and save time. If problems persist, try the remote on a different Apple TV to determine whether the issue is the remote or the unit. This isolates the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.